Okay, anyone with an electric vehicle could have this happen to you at any time, so it's good to know what to do in case your car won't turn on, won't respond. You're going to need a jumper pack just like this or another 12-volt battery, but you're basically connecting another power source to the 12-volt on your car, and that's going to give your car enough power to turn on, and that's all you need in order to continue with bringing your car back to life. So connect the jumper pack or another 12-volt to the negative and positive terminals on the 12-volt battery inside your car, and you'll hear the car turn on. It'll start to boot up, and that's a good sign. That means that you can now come over and unlock the car and continue with the next step. Unlock it, open this to open your charge port, and you'll want to connect a standard wall charger, not a fast charger at this point. You just want to use a regular wall charger, and it will start to charge the car very slowly. But the good thing is that it's not only charging the high voltage battery pack underneath the car, it's also charging the 12-volt battery. And any EV will take a good amount of time at this point to recover from reaching a very low battery state. But the good news is once this has been charging overnight, you should have enough charge to drive to a fast charging station. If your 12-volt has completely died, you may need to replace it. This is the current situation. We've got the hood up, and we're going to swap out the 12-volt battery and see that we can get that out of the way, put in a brand new one, and then bring up the systems in the car and see if we have a good enough high voltage battery charge to continue working on the car after that. So first things first, we gotta get this 12-volt out. Got a brand new one right here. And we have a new battery going in right now. There we go. Awesome. And we're gonna come in here. There we go. So this is starting to turn on. So let's see what happens when we bring this car back online. There we go. This will at least get you back up and running. Subscribe to District Current for more tips like these.